Hey y'all, Rorree here with the Goddess Isis Coven. So I pulled a card for the collective today, and it's ironic what this card says. It says Shapeshifter, transform and unveil your gifts. And when I look at this card, I'm seeing ancestral connections. I'm seeing wisdom. I'm seeing spiritual connections. I'm seeing strength. And I'm seeing all of this is all within you. And I feel like the work that we're going to do today will be like shape-shifting. It will be because tonight we are going to deprogram and then reprogram our subconscious minds. And when you do that, you are releasing what has had you bound and reshaping yourself to become what is new and what is you. Oftentimes we've been programmed to be who we are. Sometimes we are so programmed that we become stuck. I've talked about it before. Our programming starts from the womb and sometimes before. Sometimes our programming comes from another lifetime or from our lineage. So it is important to release those programs because that's really not what we came here for. We didn't come into this existence to be somebody else's program, okay? We came here to live our best lives. We were born rich, as Bob Proctor would say, but then we were programmed to be whoever we are in this moment. So for the first 7 years of your life, you're being programmed. But as I've always said, it actually happens before then as well, this programming. And it's time that we deprogram those things so that we can be our fullest selves. Oftentimes, our programs don't serve our highest good. So when we do this exercise, we are going to release any programs that are not serving our highest good. Tonight, I definitely suggest that you focus on one program that you're going to release and deprogram tonight. You're not going to try to do all of them. I did tell you to select 2 or 3, and there are different subject matters. There are programs surrounding love and relationships and self-love. There are programs surrounding financial abundance, poverty, things of that nature. There are programs surrounding your spiritual consciousness and your connection to Source Creator. Sometimes our programs surrounding our spirituality or religion have you stuck because you don't know that you are part of Source Creator. You know, we are made in the image of the gods who created us, and we are stuck because we were only taught that there was one God. And even though in the same breath, it is said, don't, put any other gods before me, but there's supposed to be one God, right? But so how do you put other gods before somebody if there was only one, right? Okay, so that just gives you a clue that you don't have the whole truth in its totality. And sometimes you have to search within to find that truth. And as we do this deprogramming and reprogramming, we are going to be shifting into our truth. This is going to allow you to be able to raise your frequencies and raise your vibrations and step into your newness of life and your fullness in this lifetime. This is going to assist you so that you are prepared for your ascension, no matter where you're going, whether you're going to be on Earth 3 or Earth 5. It doesn't matter. Wherever you're going to be the best you that you can possibly be. Okay? Now, those who are going to be on Earth 4 are blocked and shielded from this activity. So if you are slated for Earth 4, you're probably not even seeing this message. And if you are seeing this message, you're probably going to have some kind of glitch because you're not going to be able to participate in the activities because it is not for you. And this is my message from Source Creator. I'm not trying to ostracize anybody or put anybody aside. I am not the judge and the jury. I'm just delivering a message. But this shape-shifting, this transforming and unveiling your gifts, this is what we are going to be doing. It will take several times. We will do this a number of times so that you can actually focus on what it is that you desire to heal. And so anyway, and I always, like, when I do my guided visualizations and healing sessions, I often do them a little different each time. The words that come out of my mouth will be a little bit different because it's not scripted. So definitely attend. You can attend live or on a recorded session. You will receive the work, the healing work. As long as you have done the prep work, I have laid out the prep work over this past week. And the foundational work, the work to solidify what we do. So you definitely want to, after we do the healing work, you have to continue with the practice. Otherwise, you can slip right back into an old program because you will have, there's called cording and like you're tracing. Sometimes you get a cord in your being that attaches or links to something old, and you will relive the old thing, the old program, the old emotion or whatever. So if you do not do the work afterwards, you're setting yourself up. All right, we're going to do the initial part. In our community, we're doing the work all the time. If you go to my social media pages, you can at least be programming yourself with positivity every day. But definitely doing the work. Pay attention to the videos that I've shared. I'm always giving tips and pointers and stories to assist you on your journey. So anyway, I'm going to end with that, but I like this. Shapeshifter, this is right on time, right on point for today. Ashe, ashe, ashe.